3 lawn care mistakes to avoid during extreme heat peak Agro Seeds. When temperatures stay high for days and rainfall disappears, your lawn can begin to look dry, faded, or even brown. Many homeowners assume the grass is dying and immediately try different treatments to bring back the green color. Unfortunately, some of those actions can actually make the problem worse. In this video, we'll cover the 3 biggest lawn care mistakes to avoid during extreme summer heat, along with the best watering practices to help your grass survive until cooler weather returns. Mistake number 2. Applying fertilizer during extreme heat. Another common mistake is spreading fertilizer on a stressed lawn. When grass is struggling to survive high temperatures, it isn't actively growing. Feeding it during this period won't produce the healthy green results you're hoping for. In fact, fertilizer can increase stress, waste nutrients, and in some situations even burn the lawn if conditions are extremely hot. Save your fertilizer applications for when temperatures become more moderate and the grass resumes active growth. Mistake number 3. Watering your lawn at night. Many people think watering after sunset is a good way to reduce evaporation, but it often creates another problem. When moisture sits on the grass overnight, especially during warm and humid weather, it creates ideal conditions for fungal diseases and lawn infections. Instead of helping your lawn recover, nighttime irrigation can lead to additional damage. A better strategy is to water early in the morning when temperatures are cooler. This gives the soil time to absorb moisture while allowing the grass blades to dry naturally after sunrise. The best watering strategy during a heat wave. Rather than trying to keep every inch of your lawn perfectly green, focus on watering efficiently. Start by inspecting your yard for dry patches. Areas that are beginning to suffer from drought stress often lose their healthy green color first and may appear dull, grayish, or darker than the surrounding grass before eventually turning brown. These locations benefit from extra attention. Hand water the affected spots slowly so moisture can soak deeper into the soil instead of running off the surface. If certain sections have already entered dormancy, don't expect instant results. Those areas may need several watering sessions before they begin recovering once weather conditions improve. Be patient, your lawn can recover. One of the most important things to remember is that healthy grass is surprisingly resilient. Trying to maintain a perfectly green lawn during an extended heat wave can require large amounts of water and significantly increase maintenance costs. In many cases, it's more practical to protect the lawn from unnecessary stress and allow nature to do the rest. As temperatures cool and rainfall returns, dormant grass usually begins growing again, restoring its color and density over time. If you found these lawn care tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Agro Seeds, and turn on notifications for more expert lawn care, gardening, and landscaping advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.